What's the meaning of cutthroat? Cutthroat. Cutthroat.
Cutthroat. Cutthroat. Cutthroat is an idiom that describes a situation or competition that is intense and merciless, often leading to aggressive behavior and a disregard for ethics or fair play. The phrase likely derives from the violent practice of slitting someone's throat, which suggests that the competition is so fierce that individuals may resort to extreme measures to win. In modern usage, cutthroat often refers to a competitive environment where people will do whatever it takes to succeed, even if it means undermining others or violating ethical standards.